Getting Google reviews for your business can feel like a challenge, even though you have positive interactions with your customers. When you ask them to kindly leave you a Google review so others can learn about your establishment, they seem to forget it as soon as they walk out the door. Well, in this video, we'll not only show you how you can increase your Google reviews, but also increase your overall star rating and simplify the process for your customers. Welcome to the Biz Tech Hustle channel, a channel dedicated to helping small businesses succeed by sharing the tips and experiences from other entrepreneurs just like you. Did you know that Google provides businesses with the ability to request reviews directly by providing you with a link that will take your customers directly to your review page? No need for your customers to search for your business and then figure out how to leave a review. All you need to do to get the link is to log into your Google business profile, then search for your business via the Google search, then select Ask for Review, an icon which may be hidden from your current view. As soon as you click the Ask for Review icon, you'll be presented with a direct link that will take your customers directly to your review page. Click the copy icon so the URL will be stored inside your computer's memory. You're going to use that link to create a QR code that your customers can scan to leave you a review. You can use any method that you like to make the QR code, but I like QR Code Monkey. Besides the name being easy to remember, the online site provides you with a lot of customizable options. Since the Google review URL is still in our computer memory, you want to paste that URL into the Your URL field. If you're unfamiliar with the QR Code Monkey site, let's do a quick tour of some of the customizable options available to you, like changing the color of the QR code generated by the site. You also can add a logo to the QR code. This is one of the main reasons I like the QR Code Monkey site. You can upload your business logo or use one of the social icons listed here. Since this QR code will be used to get Google reviews, I'm going to select the Google Plus icon. Yes, Google Plus is no longer available, but your customers still will associate the QR code with Google. You also have the option to change the design of the body used to build the QR code in the iframe shape and the eyeball shape. We won't be doing any special customization besides adding the logo to the QR code. So let's go ahead and hit the Create QR Code button. A preview of the QR code is displayed, which includes the Google Plus icon as customized. Once you click the Download PNG button, a QR code will be generated and downloaded to your system. Next, we're going to design a table tent card that we can use to display the QR code next to our POS system. We will be using a 5x8 index card to make the tent card, which can be purchased from your local office supply store or Walmart. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint to design this table tent card, but you can use whatever app you're more comfortable in using. If you do decide to use PowerPoint to make your table tent card, you need to change the presentation page size to match the 5x8 index card that you purchased. Once you change the presentation size, PowerPoint will ask you would you like to scale up or scale down the current material on the slide. Since there isn't anything currently on the slide, it doesn't make a difference which option you select. In designing this table tent card, we will add the QR code we created along with the NFC symbol to the card so we can place an NFC tag behind the NFC symbol later. This will give your customers the ability to do an NFC tap and be taken to your Google review page. The other half of the tent card will be employee facing, so let's place a note to remind your employees to ask for reviews from your customers. Once the tent card has been designed, it's time to print. Depending on your printer, you may need to add a custom paper size to your printer in order to print to the index card. You will want to insert the index card lengthwise into your printer. And when you're ready, print your tent card. Once the print job is done, you can add an NFC sticker behind the NFC symbol on the printed card and program the NFC tag with your Google review link. If you're not familiar with configuring an NFC tag, I suggest you watch our video on NFC tags. Out of the three objectives of this video, we just created a mechanism that will allow your customers to do less work to provide your business with a review. That fulfills objective number 3. Now that we have simplified the review process for your customers, it's time for you and your employees to ask for reviews from your customers when it's the best time to ask for reviews, during checkout. If you're having good interactions with a customer, show them the table tent card. State to them that their review can help other people online find your business. The likelihood of those customers giving you a 5-star rating is very high. They'll likely feel some sense of commitment to give you a perfect rating since they're still right there with you. The more 5-star ratings you receive, the better your overall rating becomes. Using this method to ask for reviews will increase your Google reviews and your overall review rating, but it works because we have simplified the process for your customers to give reviews while they're still in your establishment. You can also include your business Google review link in your social media, email, and text marketing campaigns. This too can increase your Google reviews, but may not have the positive impact on your overall review rating because it may lack the sense of commitment that is felt by your customers when they are completing the review in your establishment. If you found this video to be helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button. That will let me know that the content I'm creating is helping other business owners and give me the motivation to continue sharing. If you know anyone else that this information may be useful to, please share with them too.